In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Google Sheets into existing Airtable tables. Open Airtable and head straight into the base where you want the data to land. At the top, find your table's name and click the small down arrow next to it. From that menu, choose Add Table, then select Google Sheets. Even though this starts from Add Table, don't worry. You'll get the option to bring the data into an existing table in a moment. When the prompt appears, click the Account field and choose to connect a new Google account. A new browser tab will open. Select the Google account that owns the sheet you want to import. Approve the permissions by clicking Continue, and then Continue again. This simply lets Airtable read your spreadsheets. You can disconnect later from your Google account settings if needed. Back in Airtable, you'll see a list of your available Google Sheets. Pick the sheet you want to use and click Select. You'll now be asked how to bring in the data. Choose the option to import into an existing table so your records go into the table you already have, rather than creating a brand new one. This is ideal when you've already set up your fields, views, and automations. Click Next to see a preview. Take a moment here to confirm that your columns align with the fields in your Airtable table. If your Google Sheet has a clear header row, those headers should map cleanly. Look for potential mismatches, like dates coming in as text or numbers that should be single select options. If you see something off, it's best to adjust the sheet headers or your Airtable field types before importing to avoid cleanup later. When everything looks right, click Import and give it a moment to process. The time it takes depends on how many rows you're bringing in. Once it finishes, scan a few records to make sure values landed in the correct fields and any attachments or links look correct. If you don't see the sheet you expected earlier, double-check that you connected the correct Google account and that you have access to the file. That's it. Your Google Sheets data is now in your existing Airtable table. Congratulations!